Hi, this is La Grande Dame. I am the K-pop singer you've never heard about. And today we are going to react against some beauty hacks, you know that. They are questionable, so let's jump into it. Bam! Oh, he's back! He's my boo! He is so cute. I love his beard. I love his lips. I love you. If you're watching this, I love you so much. And today you are doing some stuff with your luscious and beautiful lips to have beautiful red, luscious lips. Baby, mi amor, la cola blanca es por la papel, no por la boca. All right? Oh, and that's for the mask. He's doing it the 2020 version. Whoop!
Oh my god.
It's really liquidy. We are not using glue today because I'm not doing that to Daphne, okay? I have too much respect for her.
Thank you.
Oh, this smells like fish.
Oh.
So, we are using latex. We are putting the food coloring in it. Should we do more?
Yeah.
Yeah, it has to stay in your lip. Yeah, close your mouth. Close your nose too, maybe.
Go.
So we are letting it dry. It's drying really fast, actually. That's nice. Get this off. Oh, that's satisfying. No, it's nice. I think it worked. Your lips are actually red.
Yeah.
It looks good. You could wear a mask, I feel like. So, yeah. No transfer, girl. No transfer. You could make out all night. Next! Oh, nice. This is Eyebrow Tattoo. So she's using a eyebrow, like a tattoo, water tattoo. What is funny is that she's using it as a mustache, but she doesn't have any eyebrows, so it doesn't look bad. She seems to have a lot of fun, which is always a plus. I like it, it could work. We're not trying that on me today, I'm telling you. We are back! We are making some mustache on you. A little up, oh no, a little down, like that. Manly man. If you look good, you could be my husband. Although I love a mustache. So, we want the tail of the mustache. That's the sexiest part. Let me. Oh, sorry. Let's try the other one. Maybe we will be more lucky with that. Your mustache is upside down. It's interesting.
Yeah.
Have you ever wanted to see yourself with a mustache?
I feel like Narcos.
Yeah, that's my dude. That's nice. We are going to throw all the mustaches away. Next hack. Oh, I see what's coming. Fix your foundation. We have a gorgeous young lady that is killing it. Actually, it's working. I'm not confident about the blue. The orange, the yellow, okay, I get it. But the blue, I'm not sure. So let's jump right in and see how it goes on Daphne. So, we have found the most yellow foundation we had in the studio. So, hey, that's some yellow shit. I am going to add just a tiny bit of blue. You see, that's really little. And there, just in the corner, so that I can really dose it. Already, it looks more neutral. Bam!
Wow.
This is the universal foundation. Boom! We have a good news. If your foundation isn't the right shade, if it is too yellow, you can still manage to bring it back to life and wear it using those little rules. This is a good hack.
Yes,
Yep.
it is, yes.
Nice, that's a success. Ooh. Ooh. We have another lady that is using a pencil to draw her lips in a wrong way. I don't want to see any more of those videos where you guys are drawing everything. I know the deal. I know the technique. I invented it. Let's see how it goes on our girl Daphne. You know the deal. I'll try my best this time, I promise. Let's maybe vraiment like, voilà. No, it's funny because your mouth is appearing again, but that's not your actual mouth. Let's do the bottom. I'm gonna give you the juiciest lip you've ever had. Hey, not that bad. Kind of works. This is kind of messy because again, I am kind of lazy. There you go. Bam, down under. And then going deep. Yeah, from far away it works. Just same for me. Don't zoom, I see you coming. And next hack. Alright! So she's cute, she got the toilet paper rolls, she's separating her hair the right way. I just hope those toilet paper rolls are clean. And yeah, it seems to work. She's clipping it so that it stays in place. She looks good in the end. The curls are like bouncy and thick. We are back looking more gorgeous than ever. We are only doing 2 rolls. All right, who are these? Who knows? Thank you for all your poops. Bam. Bim, bam, boom. Yeah, I'm pussy, bitch. Bam. Boom. Boom. Rock and roll, baby. You look good. You know, it looks like Lady Gaga in the clip with the cans. We are using the hair dryer. I can hear you right now. And I wanted to tell you, it's a pleasure working with you on this one.
Oh, thank you.
My pleasure, babe. Well, the issue is that it's not holding on to the hair. That's not made for it. We all know what this is made for. We are gonna see how it goes. Boom. Oh! I know. Oh!
Oh!
There is a movement.
Yes.
That's the good news. You have a very loose wave.
Yeah.
Let's see the other one. This one's a little less sexy, but let's see the third one. Yeah, go to the hairdresser, make somebody work, get a job, get a life, get a curl. So that's no for me. There you go. So she is using a primer to prime her lid. I like the color palette. And she's placing the colors. That's cute. It actually works well. The colors are getting diffused and mixed up together, but it's a lazy rainbow. It looks kind of good in the end because she blended the red, but again, the color disappeared, so I don't really get the point. Again, I seem to never get the point in this show. So, we are going to prime the eyelid with a primer. Second. All right, boom, in a corner. Can you imagine that this is gonna be all washed out? Oh, the yellow is pretty. And now we are closing the whole thing with the red. Beautiful. Now, I'm gonna put the red. And blending the whole thing. Not the right move. If you want to do a rainbow eye, do a rainbow eye. Otherwise, stay home and don't bother with my pride. Babe, this was La Grande Dame. I hope you had a great time watching this. See you back very soon. Ah.